getting to be about that time of year when all the patio doors open and our living spaces double. So I wanted to give you some quick tips and tricks of ways that you can easily decorate indoors, but make it something that can translate to your outdoors entertaining easily. So for starters, I wanted to share some ideas about one of my favorite decorating tools, trays. So we have this fantastic tray for $24.99. It has a really nice, cozy, rustic charm to it, but because it's a metal tray, it's easy to use indoors, but take outside without having to worry quite so much about how the elements are gonna affect it. So we'll start with this tray and then add in a couple of simple pictures. This large size is $24.99, or you can do the smaller white size for $14.99. And when you're decorating indoors, you can just add some beautiful faux greenery and flowers that add a little bit of charm and personality, but also keep the insides of these pots clean. So I've got some great greenery and some beautiful bright yellow florals here. I'm just gonna layer those together and fill up our pitcher. And then what says summer more like bright yellow lemons? So we'll nestle those guys right in. And we have a charming little centerpiece for your kitchen table. But when it's time to entertain outdoors, all we have to do, pull these faux florals out, mix up your favorite lemonade, mojitos, margaritas, you name it, grab a couple of glasses, and I'll meet you guys on the patio.